Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday the 24th of May. Today was definitely a fun day, and you can see we did have a ton of opportunity today. We took a short right here about 3 minutes after the open, and we were able to write that down for a little bit. Then we waited, and the news gave a nice little pop to go short, so we took a short down in here, able to ride that for a little bit, and then when it popped up again, we took another short right here, our last trade of the day, and we were able to ride that. You could actually still be short if you wanted to be. We like to take profits as the market goes, so we took profits. Took profits and just watched the market chop around a little bit, and it did head lower after that, but it went lower in a choppy fashion. They ended up buying it up here, and of course selling it off again. But we had 3 trades for a maximum profit potential of 8.5 points or 34 ticks. There were, if you would have held here or, still holding, there would be some profit. But we took profit in this area here, so I'm going to look at the max of this move. So 3 trades for a maximum profit potential of 8.5 points or 34 ticks. Website is www.businesswithtrading.com. If you want to stop on by, check it out, see if it's for you or not. We don't make a lot of trades. I don't do the 15 to 20 trades per day. I'm not trying to, do 500 trades a month or anything crazy like that. I just want to get in, make some money, and get out. It doesn't matter to me doing more volume than somebody else, or, hey, I did 20 trades today. How many did you do? Oh, you only did 5. Competition is one thing. That's seems a little juvenile competition. A lot of amateurs like to do that. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing if you do that. There are a lot of scalpers out there that make a couple hundred trades per day, but that's what they do. They cover the spread. They're looking for a tick here, a tick there, just covering the spread. Whereas, I'm a day trader. I'm looking to actually make some profit, accumulate some nice profit. So at the end of the year, it looks like I actually did something. So, that's what I'm trying to do, and there's definitely a huge misconception on what a scalper is versus a day trader. And I know I'm getting a little bit off topic, but I want to talk about it. A scalper is somebody who covers the spread. Someone down on the pit say that all they want to do is cover the spread. Maybe they go long in the bigs and they short the minis, so they're making a quarter point or something like that. They're just covering the spread. That's what a scalper is. A day trader is someone who does a little bit more than cover the spread. Maybe they're looking for a point or 5 points, or days like this, maybe 8 points. It just depends on what you want to do. I know some traders, some days they just take off because the markets are boring, so they take off and go do something else. Some people like me, we stick around for the first half of the day, and then there are some people who stick around for the entire day. And one method is not necessarily better than the other. If it fits you and your personality, then it's the best method for you. But there is no best method for everyone. Everybody's different. Everybody's going to want to trade different. Everybody's going to approach risk differently. So, everybody's going to trade a different way. A lot of people might trade similarly, but it's going to be different because they are doing it. Nobody does everything the exact same way. Michelangelo painted the Sistine Chapel. Is there another painter who would have painted it identically? No. People can copy it now, but at the same time, you can lay out plans. I'm going to paint this. Someone else would paint it slightly differently. Or, maybe they would just have different concepts. But that's what makes trading so enjoyable. Everybody approaches it differently. Everyone has a different perspective, a different paradigm, and it just makes it very interesting, very fun, and a great subject to talk about. And of course, you only want to talk to other traders about trading because you talk to someone who's not a trader. It's going to be a one-sided conversation, and they're going to throw wrenches at you, or whatever you want to call it, metaphorical wrenches. But anyway, that is the website, businesswithtrading.com. Upper right hand side, there's a contact form. You can send me any questions, suggestions, comments that you might have. I enjoy reading all of them. Positive criticism, negative criticism. If it's a compliment, whatever it might be. Everything needs to be said. Sometimes you need to be criticized. Sometimes you need to be complimented. It works out because nobody's perfect. So, definitely send me whatever. If you do enjoy these videos, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow morning in the markets. Thank you.